Hello everyone, welcome to Fine Arts YouTube channel. In this video we will draw a house and beautiful scenery. First I draw the roof of the house. Now I am drawing the walls. Let's draw the windows and doors. It looks very beautiful house. Now I am draw a road. Let's draw a pond. And now I am drawing some hills. It looks very beautiful. Now I am draw some trees. And now I am drawing a sun. Let's draw a flower to make our scenery very beautiful. I am drawing some grass on the ground. Let's draw a cloud in the sky. Let's color this beautiful scenery. First I paint the roof of the house with red color. Please try to draw with me. Now I am painting the walls with yellow color. And the windows with brown color and the doors also. Let's paint the road with orange color. And now I am painting the ground with green color. I use pink color to draw the mountain. Let's color the another mountain with orange color. Now I am painting the pond. Let's start to color the sky with sky blue color. It is going to be a beautiful scenery.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
The sun with red color. Let's paint the trees with green color. Let's color the beautiful flower. Our scenery is complete. See you in the next video. Bye bye.